Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download Genmoji on Android. Let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store and search for Genmoji. And look for the official Genmoji app and tap install. And Genmoji will automatically install and open it. You can also find the app on your home screen or in your app drawer. When Genmoji opens, you need to sign in or create a new account. You can usually sign in with email, phone number, or social login. Genmoji may ask permission to access the camera or storage. You can allow if Genmoji asks for it. And now you're in. You can browse categories, create your own AI generated emojis, record your actions, and customize your content. You can also check for in-app updates so you always have the newest Genmoji features and also save your favorites to your gallery or share them in chats or social media. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.